is already discussed in the previous class. It is also very important. You will get the 3 marks in examination format. Okay. In today's class, we are going to study the mirror equation. So mirror equation we can call it by taking the by considering the same as a spherical mirror, as a concave mirror we will consider. So I will take one concave mirror like this. Okay. So we can draw one principal axis. Principal axis means already state. So the line joins from center of curvature to the pole. Okay, that we will call as the principal axis. So here we can call it as a C. We can say. Okay. So what I am doing here, one ray of light is going to fall on, or else we are making as an incident on a spherical mirror. Okay, so we can give like this. So this, and from here to here I will call as a, it is B, it is A. Okay, so you know, after inserting here I will call M, this point. Okay, so what will happen here? It will take place reflection, you know, so it will move like this. It will the reflection takes place here. So here the point is meeting. Okay, another ray I will take. So this ray will move up to here. Getting or not? So the ray is moving here, and this will also, what will happen? It will also reflect in this direction. We can show like this. Getting? So another ray I will draw through the center of curvature. It will move like this. Okay. So we can move like this. So we can take the center of curvature. Getting? So these all the three are meeting at this point. See that? Getting? So this point I will call as B dash, and from here to here it is A dash. Getting? So A dash B dash is the real image of AB. So what is the meaning of this? Means how much distance when you kept the mirror in front of mirror, when you keeping this object. Okay, so that same the same distance will appear in the like this in the downward also. That we will call as a real image. Real image is what? The collection of the object where all the rays are meeting, converge. So that is called. Getting? So this is what? Pole, and here we are taking as a N. Getting? So you know here F means what? Focus. Okay, and it is here on we wrote as a C, center of curvature. Now from here to here, you know, from focus to the pole, what is that? What will we call? Focal length. Remember it. Where the points are meeting, that is focus, to the pole, we will call as a focal length, that is distance. Okay, and here from here to here as a V image object, as a it is a real object. Understood? So these are the facts. If you understood means now we will move to the derivation part. Okay, so a ray is incidenting on the concave mirror, it is reflecting. Okay, then another ray is incident, it is passing through the center of curvature and incidenting on as a point N on the spherical mirror. All the mirrors, see that all the points are focusing here, join at the one point. That is called B dash. A dash is a real image of AB. Okay, so now we will consider here from triangles. Triangles, I'll take A dash, B dash, F. A dash, B dash, F, and M, P, F. M, P, F are similar, we can say. Now look at this one and this one. Understood? So now from both we should take? Okay, so now a dash b dash divided by mp is equals to bf, or else af we can call af a dash f divided by what? fp or pf, whatever. Okay, we can take like this. Ingara baribodu, ingara baribodu. Okay, so now a dash b dash divided by mp is nothing but ab only. See that this is nothing but this much distance only. Is it done? So is equals to a dash f is what? A dash f divided by fp, or the equation number 1. Okay. Also, we should take another triangles ABP, one triangle ABP and A dash B dash P. Getting or not? A dash B dash P are similar. Okay. From these, how to take now? Again, A dash B dash by AB is as it is here. So now A dash P divided by A dash P divided by BP means how much this much will be there now? This much is equal. Getting up? So now for the equation number 2. So see that equation 192. The sides are equal. This side and this side is same. So from equation 192, from equations 1 and 2, comma, we get what we will get here? A dash f divided by fp is equals to A dash p divided by b. See that? Got it here too? Now power the equation number. Now we'll move. Next. Using the sign convention, you know. That's what I said. Using the sign convention we should take. Sign convention are what? I said already. Sign conventions are upper part of the principal axis are positive, lower part of the negative. Okay. And all the distance of whatever we are going to measure from the pole only. Okay. And one more is that. So how the ray is incidenting? If the ray of light is incidenting in this direction, so this value will take as a positive only. So if the ray of light is incidenting like this, if you are measuring like this, opposite to the incident of ray, we will take negative. So that is sign convention we are going to be used here. Okay. Now A dash f. How to write here now? Okay. From the figure, A dash f is there here. Okay. What to write? PC minus PF. Okay. So PC minus PF. We can write now. One more. FP is equals to FP. Where is it? Here it is there. So PA minus PA. See that? How much it is? PA dash. PA minus PA dash, because it is up to here focal length is there. Up to here this value is there. What image? इमेज का डिस्टेंस कहां तक है? वो A डैश से P तक है वो. सो इसका इमेज, सो कितना है वो डिस्टेंस? V है वो. सो वो हम यहाँ पे दे चुके. सो ये दोनों वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट कर सकते हैं हम लोग. ओके. सो A डैश F की जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? PC माइनस PF डिवाइडेड बाय FP की जगह पे PA माइनस PA डैश इज इक्वल्स टू A डैश P divided by BP. So call the equation number 4. Okay. Now what should I see that now? Using the sign convention, Cartesian sign convention. Now look at PC बोले तो क्या है? देखो PC. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से पोल तक क्या कहते हैं हम? रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. Is it or not? So radius of curvature is what? The radius from which a spherical mirror is formed. Okay, that radius we will call as a radius of curvature. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, मगर वो क्या है? वो नेगेटिव बनेगा, क्योंकि इंसिडेंट रे ऐसे वाला मेजर यहाँ से कर रहा है. Is it or not? So now that is only. So minus PF बोले तो क्या है PF इट इज व्हाट फोकल लेंथ, बट यहाँ पे क्या है इट इज अ माइनस, इट इज नथिंग बट द माइनस माइनस प्लस V, ये वैल्यू है यहाँ पे, इज इट अ सो नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल टू और डिवाइडेड बाय V, ये वैल्यू है PA बोले तो क्या है P ये कितना है वो वैल्यू U, so what it is minus U, okay alright minus PA dash, PA dash कितना है वो प्लस P, is it done, so equal to यहाँ पे हो गया, so इस तरफ A dash P बोले तो कितना है वो वैल्यू, so minus V डिवाइडेड बाय BP बोले तो कितना है P नथिंग बट यही वैल्यू है वो कितना है माइनस U है, समझ में आया, सो ये दोनों कैंसिल और यहाँ पे क्या बच गया V माइनस R डिवाइडेड बाय V माइनस U लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, सॉरी यहाँ पे गलत हुआ, V नहीं ले सकते R होंगे शायद यहाँ, कौन सा वैल्यू देखो U माइनस R होना यहाँ प्लस R माइनस U होता वो कौन सा है वैल्यू PA डैश बोले तो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर वैल्यू लेना यहाँ पे, ओके सो R वैल्यू, सो यहाँ पे V बाय U, सो इसको हम यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई, इसको हम यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं हम लोग, सो U इन ब्रैकेट V माइनस R इक्वल्स टू V R माइनस U ले सकते हैं, सो UV माइनस UR इक्वल्स टू VR माइनस UV ले सकते, सो UV यहाँ पे रखो, ये UV को यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं हम लोग, इज इक्वल्स टू VR प्लस UR, इसको यहाँ पे ले, गेटिंग, सो A UV प्लस UV कितना हुआ यहाँ पे 2 UV लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, ओके इज इक्वल्स टू VR प्लस UR, वैसे ही रखो, डोंट टेक कॉमन, ओके सो यहाँ पे क्या इक्वेशन 5 देते हैं, सो इक्वेशन 5 को क्या करेंगे हम लोग डिवाइडिंग इक्वेशन 5 बाय UVR कॉमा V गेट, सो हम इक्वेशन 5 को क्या कर रहे हैं UVR से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, सो यहाँ पे क्या है 2UV है, UVR इज इक्वल टू VR डिवाइडेड बाय UVR प्लस UR डिवाइडेड बाय UVR, सो क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे देखो, सो ये UV कैंसिल हुआ, 2 बाय R है इज इक्वल टू VR यहाँ पे कैंसिल हुआ, क्या बच गया यहाँ पे 1 बाय U प्लस 1 बाय यहाँ पे UR क्या हुआ कैंसिल के बाद V बच गया, सो यहाँ पे क्या है 2 बाय R is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V, but F equal to R by 2 है, ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस में पढ़े थे ना इक्वेशन, वहां पे ये लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, सो 1 by सॉरी F equal to R by 2 है बोले तो 2 by R बोले तो क्या हो गया यहाँ पे 1 by F ले सकते हैं हम लोग, इसको उल्टा कर दो क्योंकि 2 by R है बोले तो F है, 1 by F बोले तो R by 2, is it or not, so is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, so this is called as a mirror equation for the spherical mirrors, okay so where F is focal length, U is distance and V is we can write image distance, okay so this is called as a mirror equation, this is a very important